this is ano na, inside Busan Port. So, third floor is the departure area. And then, kung sa New Camellia kayo nag-book ng cruise, so, pupunta kayo dito to check in sa counter na yan. And then, after that, you will pass immigration. So, I'll update you kung what will happen after the immigration. But now, but now Fritz is checking a private room for us kasi originally, yung binook ko is yung shared room kasi yun lang yung available. So, we were able to upgrade our room kasi originally, yung binook ko is yung parang Japan standard lang na bed. Tapos, parang 10 kayo na nasa room. May kasama kaming bata. So, luckily, meron silang available. Walang suite, pero second class. So, parang bunk bed siya. 4 people can fit. And then,
bunk bed. Okay.
Yeah. Pero, sariling room mo pa rin. So, diba? Yeah, so we'll go now. We'll pass the immigration. Come on. Inayad pala namin is, ang extra na lang is 66,000 won. Nakakainis to. So that's around 2,660 pesos. Mga ganun. So after immigration, I don't know. After, di ba yung sa gate, i-check yung passport nyo and then boarding pass. And then security check, and then after that immigration. So para siyang airport. And then here, yan, parang airport. May duty free, and then may mga kainan din naman, may coffee shop. And then there. So this is the first class na room nila. Medyo nakakahilo lang, no? Parang nakakahilo. Anyway, yan siya. Ito na yung first class nila. Though walang suite, at least may private area kami. There. And I think, parang kung gusto mong gamitin yung unan, ikaw yung maglalagay ng sheets. But, there. Ayan. At least may private area. Kasi may kasama kaming bata. Baka mag-tantrum si Eli. And, may window siya. Yan. Wala lang CR, no? Pero may, ayan, lagayan dyan ng luggage. And then, sink. So, may mga common area naman na you can chill if ayaw mo sa shared room. So, you can chill here. Pero usually, full din siya. So, yan. Ang daming kumakain. Dito pala, may kitchen naman. Pero they don't accept card. And they don't accept card and won na cash. So, they only accept yen. So, buti may yen pa ako na natira from our previous Japan.
Index.
Okay. Yan. So, may mga food naman dito na chicha, ganyan. Pero kasi kami may baon kami. And may kitchen naman dito. And then, vendo. There. So, ayan. Meron naman siyang mga food, no, na vendo. And then, yan na yung currency niya. So, you need to have yen. Ice cream. And then, this is the kitchen area. So, pwede kayong umorder dyan. I think mga curry na rice. And then, yan, vegetable. There. So, yung original na booking namin, ganyan siya. Shared. Diba? So, kaya kumuha kami ng private room. Ang dami kasi dito. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 10 people kayo here. Here's the view dito sa deck. 9:30 pa ito magde-depart. I'm not sure bakit late. Kasi originally, it's 8 p.m. And then, here's the view. Hindi lang siya nabibigyan ng justice. Pero ang ganda ng city lights. Let's go. We are now moving and Eli is very curious. Nakatingin pa din siya sa view. Pero ayaw niya sa labas kasi super lamig. There. Good morning. We are now in Fukuoka. So 6 a.m. dumating dito. Pero 7:30 pa pwede lumabas. And with our experience, natulog na lang kami kasi talagang nakakahilo yung feeling sa cabin namin. So, yun, pinilit na lang namin matulog. Pero, every time na nagigising ako na alimpungatan, medyo nafe-feel ko yung wave. So, comfortable naman matulog. Pero, yun nga lang, nararamdaman mo talaga yung wave. We are now in Hakata. And we will be staying here in Anna Crown Plaza. And then, this is the building. So, 5 minutes walk lang siya from Hakata Station. And then, mas warmer so far yung weather dito sa Fukuoka. Parang ano siya, 0 degrees from -6, 7 degrees. Yan. So, meron pa silang mga ginkgo trees here. Hindi pa nagpo-fall off. First order of business here pag nasa Japan is convenience store. Since maaga pa eh, 9 AM pa lang, and yung check-in time namin is 1 PM. So, we'll kill some time, explore the neighborhood, and then tabi-tabi talaga yung convenience store here. So, Fritz is having spam misubi.
My favorite.
And then, famichiki. And then, ako, egg. And then, milk and water. Parang umuulan, lab.
Yeah.
Maambon. We are now check-in. It's now 11 AM. And then, pina-check-in na nila kami. So, originally, binigyan kami ng 1 PM early check-in. But, ginawa nilang 11 AM. So, ito yung entrance, hallway. And then, this is the bath room. So, yung usual na Japanese standard. Pero parang, yeah, usual. Pero mas malaki. And then, dito, storage ng damit. There. And then, here is the room. Mas malaki siya compared to Japan standard na room. So, may sleepwear. And then, nandito na yung mga, amenities. And then, may TV, may desk. May binigay sila na complimentary. I think this is biscuit. Yan. And then, meron pala kaming access sa club lounge. So, and we are entitled for breakfast, tea time, and cocktail time. Yeah. There. This is the JR Hakata station. We'll buy here ticket going to Nagasaki for 31st kasi doon kami mag-New Year. Ang daming illumination. Sabi din ng taxi driver namin kanina na maraming illumination here sa area na to. We are now in Hakata Wharf and ayan yung port nila. Ang alam ko, pwede ko umakyat doon sa taas for free. Pero wala daw mga kainan dyan sa taas. Or walang mga ganap. But it's okay. We'll try later. We are here in Hakata Toyoichi. So, super dami kasing kumakain. But, you can, take out. Mamimili ka dito. Parang 1,000 yen.
Isang piraso.
Oo, isang piraso. So, not bad. So, this is what I got. Fatty tuna. And then, salmon. And then, shrimp. I think this is onagi. I'm not sure na yung ibang, yung ito. So, sabi ko kanina, it's 1,000 yen per piece. Pero mahal pala yun. It's 120 yen per piece. So, 14 pieces to, it's 1,680 yen. So, yan, nakakatuwa siya kasi sobrang hilig ko sa sushi. Tapos, ito yung view ko. It's the wharf area. Let's try the toro. Actually, nagtatanong ako kanina kung saan yung fatty tuna, pero hindi nila alam yung fatty tuna. So, pag nandito kayo, try nyo sabihin is toro. Yun yung sinabi ko, and then tinuro nila itong fatty tuna. Let's try. Ang gadang sarap. Nag-melt talaga sa mouth. Yum, yum. Bumili din pala ako ng squid ni Fritz. Kasi hindi naman siya mahilig sa sushi. So, kaya. Medyo oily lang. Yeah. Sarap. Nakaka-happy. Binili ko din pala si Fritz ng rice. Itong dalawang rice, it's 330 yen. Tapos itong isang peraso nito, parang 500 plus. So, pork and chicken. And then ako, sushi lang. Happy? Si Fritz, sobrang niyang sarap na sarap sa Japanese food. Pero ako simula nang tikman ko yung authentic na Korean food, mas gusto ko na yung food nila. Kasi, hindi, wait lang. Kasi yung food doon, maraming gulay. Mahilig ako sa gulay. Mahilig ako sa fermented. So, nung nag-Japan uli kami, nung hindi pa ako nakakapag-Korea, super sarap na sarap din naman ako sa Japanese food. Masarap naman talaga siya. Pero nung nakapag-Korea ako, na-realize ko na ang alat pala ng pagkain nila.
No. Kami-chiki lang and spam tapos ng boxing. Wala na.
No. So, magkaiba kami. Siya, Japan all the way. Ako, favorite ko pa rin ng Japan na country, pero yung food sa Korea. Pamichiki end. Pamichiki end.
Spam. Convenience store pa lang, wala na.
Oh yeah, convenience store. Dito talaga. Sa Korea, hindi tayo masyado nag-convenience store, no?
Ako mabibigyan?
I mean, meron naman mga, ano yung parang bento, bibimbap. And then, ang
High class or high-end samgyeopsal.
Ang nila, ang meat. Tapos, napansin ko sa Korea, mahilig sila sa matamis. Pag sinabi nilang sweet, sweet talaga, no? Dito, kapag sweet, matabang pa din. Pero, mas gusto ko yun. Yung hindi masyadong matamis. We are now here in Canal City. And we'll just explore the area. And may Disney store kasi, so baka bilhan namin si Eli dyan ng toys niya. So, let's go inside. Nagbabus lang pala kami, ha? Yung transportation namin, yung commute. Gabi alam ko may mga fountain dyan, but since may araw pa and hindi pa completely evening, so there, wala pa.
A picture.
That's all? Oh, you don't have this one, Eli. I think this is what you're gonna buy.
No.
Anong no?
Can I show to Papa?
Yeah.
Take a picture. Ilay, say Papa,
XSR.
please.
XR. This is Canal City. Kapag gabi, may fountain show. And then, maraming lights. There.
Mama.
Oh, what's that? What's that?
16 to 20.
Okay.